The 2018 YZ125 from Yamaha represents the highest level of off-the-shelf performance found in a modern machine. Priced at $6,499, this Yamaha is a closed-course motorcycle designed for competition use on an MX track. Although engineered to be totally competitive in stock form, the YZ125 is also the perfect platform to modify in order to meet your specific riding style, ability, and setup preferences. A 124cc two-stroke engine delivers power to the ground, while the inverted fork, fully adjustable shock, and 207-pound overall weight work together to maximize the handling characteristics. Read a more in-depth test of the YZ125- as well as the rest of the 2018 machines. When you take into account Yamaha's performance in recent dirt rider motocross shootouts, the ultimate yardstick for a modern MX bike, the Blue machines appear to be the bikes to beat. One of the few brands that is a player in both the two-stroke and four-stroke categories, Yamaha has earned a reputation for great durability, solid handling, and on-tap power that is reflected in the on-track performance of the 2018 YZ125, which will set you back $6,499. If you're searching for a 124cc motocross bike and don't mind the color blue, this 2018 model should definitely be on your shortlist.